This naturalrefrigerants.com article is being read by an automated voice. Nusku targets residential UK gas boiler replacements with tank-integrated R290 heat pump. By J. O. Haroldson. Published June 3, 2026. Engineering startup Nusku aims to replace gas boilers in UK homes with an air-to-water propane heat pump, featuring an integrated storage tank, according to CEO Russell Murchie. The startup designed the heat pump for use in retrofit applications in existing UK housing with hydronic radiator systems. The unit maintains useful performance in typical winter conditions with an outlet temperature of up to 65 degrees Celsius, 149 degrees Fahrenheit. Murchie told naturalrefrigerants.com. The company is finalizing the commercial specifications, including heat pump capacity, refrigerant charge, and storage volume. The system focuses on reducing installation complexity, minimizing ancillary components, and integrating thermal storage directly into the unit, Murchie said. We believe this can materially reduce both the upfront installation costs and disruption compared with current premium R290 systems on the market. The timeline. With prototypes installed in 4 Bristol homes, Nusku is working to optimize system controls, installation processes, and real-world performance. Murchie said early feedback from the trials has been encouraging, particularly in terms of performance, responsiveness, and ease of use. The startup expects to commercially launch its first unit for 2 to 3 bedroom homes in early 2027, after completing field trials, securing certification, and ramping up production with manufacturing and supply chain partners. Although the first unit targets smaller homes, Nusku expects to expand the line to multiple capacities and configurations for retrofits and new builds. State support. Through Nusku's installer partners, the heat pump is expected to qualify for the £7,500, $10,000/€8,700. Boiler Upgrade Scheme, BUS grant in England and Wales. In January 2024, the startup received a £727,000 grant from the UK Department for Energy Security and Net Zero, enabling product testing at the University of Salford's 2-bedroom terraced energy house equipped with an environmental chamber. Hotbed of activity, conditions in the UK that enable AR290 residential heat pump startups to thrive include the government's trajectory to phase out HFCs, financial incentives, and the market potential of replacing millions of gas boilers. In November 2024, UK technology company Wonderwall launched an AI-enabled propane unit, available in 6 and 8 kilowatt, 1.7 and 3.2 TR capacity sizes, in partnership with Daikin Air Conditioning, UK, a subsidiary of Daikin Europe. The AI management unit reduces home energy heating bills by up to 80% compared to similar homes with standalone heat pumps, according to Wonderwall. Swedish home energy company Era, founded in 2022, produces R290 units in 3 capacity sizes: 6 kilowatts, 8 kilowatts, and 12 kilowatts, 1.7 tons of refrigeration, 2.3 tons of refrigeration, and 3.4 tons of refrigeration, with availability in Germany, Italy, and the UK. The units produce water temperatures up to 70 degrees Celsius, 158 degrees Fahrenheit, for space heating via radiators or underfloor piping, and domestic hot water. Established companies such as Carrier Global Corporation are also supplying R290 heat pump solutions in the UK. The company has units including Vitacool 150-A, Vitacool 250-A Pro, Aquasnap 30AWH-P, and Aquasnap 61AQ, listed on a framework operated by Procure Plus for social housing and other public sector low and zero carbon projects. Quotable: if heat pumps are going to achieve mass adoption in the UK, the market needs solutions that reduce both installation costs and consumer reluctance, Murchie said. Our product presents an innovative addition and provides solutions to many barriers currently stopping people from switching from gas boilers to heat pumps.